Yes, you are.
Ah!
Say you're sorry. Say you're sorry. I mean it.
Daddy, forget it. She doesn't have to.
No, yes, she does.
No, Lily said I don't have to.
It doesn't matter. I'm sorry, but this is not about you. I mean, it is, but it isn't. Jane, tell her you're sorry.
No.
You gotta hit that kid right in the mouth.
Jane, apologize.
Slap her. Slap her hard in the face. And pull her hair.
Okay, come here. I know it's not easy to say sorry, but you have to do it. Just say you're sorry. Say you're sorry. Honey, I know this is not easy, but just all you gotta do is make the sound. It's just a sound. Push the air out of your body, through your face, make it, form it with your lips, and you just say it. Just say sorry. Come on, sorry. Come on. That's it, sorry. There you go. There you go.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Thank you.
That was really good, honey. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you listening.
Hey!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
She should apologize.
I know.
Why doesn't she say sorry?
I don't know. She's on the phone.
So, she hit me.
I don't know, whatever was her choice, but I'm not going to be the one to say. Right.
Ma'am.
Right. Right. Exactly.
Excuse me. Could you get off the phone for a second?
What? Hold on a second, Rachel. Please don't hit on me right now. I'm trying to live my life.
Oh, I'm not hitting on you. You just walked into my little girl.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Yeah, I'm sure that's true, but I was hoping that you could come over and say you're sorry.
What?
Just could you apologize for bumping into my little girl, please?
It was an accident.
I'm sure it was, but I really need you to say you're sorry.
What is your problem? Hold on a second, Rachel. Oh, my God. Are you trying to tell me what to do right now?
No, I'm not. Look, you just bumped into my little girl. Can you just say you're sorry?
Sorry.
No. Excuse me. Not to me. To her.
Screw you. Right, Rachel. So what were you saying? I know.
Are you the manager?
How can I help you?
Okay, this woman who's shopping here just banged her leg right into my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, that's nice of you to say that, but she won't say it. See, I really need her to apologize, and she won't.
You need her to apologize?
Yes, I'm trying to teach my girls that you have to say you're sorry even when it's an accident.
Ma'am, I understand that you bumped into this little girl and you did not apologize.
What? This is stupid.
I understand that, ma'am. I just need you to tell the little girl that you're sorry.
Who do you think you are talking to me like that?
Look, please say you're sorry.
I did not mean to bump into her.
Yes, but you still need to say you're sorry.
No.
How come she doesn't have to say sorry when I had to? Yeah, Daddy, this isn't fair.
I don't know, girls. I don't know what to tell you.
Yes, sir, officer. You're under arrest for assault of a minor.
Crazy. I didn't mean to bump into
Shut up.
Hey, officer, I don't have to press charges. I just wanted to apologize. It's just she bumped into my daughter. I just need her to say sorry. She wouldn't say sorry.
You didn't say sorry? What's wrong with you?
It was a goddamn accident. I'm going to sue all of this. It's your fault.
Excuse me? I know it's hard to say sorry. I don't like it either. But my daddy showed me how. You just go, sorry. That's all. You just make a word. Sorry. The fear that goes to your face. Just sorry. Please try.
Sorry.